News 18, thank you so much for staying with us. My name is Heem Kaur. Now here's the latest that we're getting for you. NIA to file a charge sheet in the Pahalgam terror attack case before Jammu court today. A detailed press release will follow, we're given to understand. Now the National Investigation Agency will file a charge sheet in the Pahalgam terror attack case in which 26 people were killed by Pakistan-based terrorists. Now, we are given to understand that NIA investigations had found direct involvement of 3 terrorists in this attack, and a detailed press release shall follow this particular filing of the charge sheet in the Pahalgam attack case. For more on this, we have with us Arunima. Arunima, good morning. Thank you so much for joining us. What can you tell us?
Yes, morning. So it's quite crucial. The terrorists who were allegedly responsible for the ghastly killing of people at the Baisaran Valley, they have been brought to justice in an operation near Srinagar in the Mahadev Hills. If you remember Operation Mahadev, these terrorists were brought to justice. But who were the people who harbored them? Already the first breakthrough was made by NIA when 2 of the harborers were arrested. So what was their role? Did they only limit themselves to providing food and logistics? Were they aware? Were they overground workers who were receiving instructions from their Pakistani handlers? All of these details will be known in the charge sheet. Also, we are expecting to know from the NIA who the handlers in Pakistan were, at what point these terrorists who crossed over, at what point did they cross over? Because it was initially suspected that these terrorists were not just responsible for Baisaran, but perhaps for some of the other big terror attacks in the valley as well, including the one that we saw at the Zedmo tunnel in Sonmarg. So was there a direct connection? Were these 3 terrorists lying low in the valley for some time now? Who were the people who were helping them get the food, the logistics? There was and government was under constant pressure for months together because the opposition kept asking, why are these terrorists not being brought to justice? So where were they hiding? Who were the people who were helping them hide? How did they reach Mahadev area where the operation finally brought them to justice? All of these questions are still unanswered. We are expecting answers in the charge sheet today.
All right, Arunima, thank you so much for bringing us the latest on this. Of course, we'll continue to try